Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacchino. So checking out on Nikola, we still have this gap we're watching with the declining rotation zone, which we came up, filled the gap, hit the rotation zone. Key area I'm watching tomorrow is about 34.50. Above 34.50, I'll start watching a return to the prior support becoming resistance and a prior GAN level coming in about 38.60. And then if we did rally beyond that, the next area I'd be watching is about this 40 level with the declining rotation zone. Let's take a look on the daily, and that 38.60 levels reinforced on the daily, so that's going to be your major area of resistance between the 4-hour and the daily on any continued rally. Support would just be coming in about this 29.30 area, and if we did drop below that, same targets for before, 25.44 to 26.71 area, and then major support coming in about 20.25 to 21.50, and we can fine tune those if it does sell off again. So a quick update on Nikola, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.